Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we are going to take a deeper dive into scenarios 3 and 4, and we're going to take that deep dive by comparing and contrasting the two scenarios. In scenario 3, we're going to make a positive actually negative, and in scenario 4, we're going to make a negative positive. So let's go into scenario 3, and remember, we're keeping basic arithmetic in mind. And so in this example, we have 7 positive counters as illustrated by the yellow positive ones, and we have 10 negative counters as illustrated by the red negative sign right here. And so with that in mind, what we've just done in this case, we actually spent more money than what we had. And this is the case of credit card debt. And so let's say you have $7 right here, but you found yourself at the mall and you spent $10. Now you owe $3. So in this case, we have 7 plus a negative 10 will give us a negative 3, which is the same as saying 7 minus 10 is equal to a negative 3, keeping basic arithmetic in mind. Also notice that our answer has the same sign as our number with the greater absolute value, which is 10. Because 10 is negative and it has a greater absolute value, 3 is going to be negative as well. And so let's take a look at scenario 4, making a negative positive. And so let's say right here, you owed $7, all right? But your job gave you a pay raise of $10. Okay. And so now you use that $10 to pay off your debt, and then you suddenly discover that you have $3 extra. And so we can say that a negative 7 plus 10 is equal to 3, but we can switch, as we mentioned in an earlier video. And so we can say 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Keep in mind that 10 is positive and it has a greater absolute value. So your answer is going to be positive as well. And so you can see that playing itself out right here. And so to get a deeper understanding of making a positive negative and making a negative positive, let's go to our second example, in which we have $5, but we overspent by $9. And so what happens is we have we have 5 plus a negative 9, which will leave us owing $4 more in this case. Again, we can use regular arithmetic by just saying 5 minus 9 is equal to a negative 4. And the answer is negative because 9 is negative and it has a greater absolute value. So your answer is going to take on that same value, which is negative in this case. And so right here, this person owes $4. And so let's go to scenario 4 right here by comparison. And so in this case, we have negative $5, but we got that pay raise again, in which we received $9. Now we can pay off that debt of $5, and we have a positive $4 remaining. We're in a much happier position now. Again, using regular arithmetic, we can say that negative 5 plus 9 is equal to 4, or 9 minus 5 equals to 4. And there you have it. There is our continuation of scenarios 3 and 4. You have been given a lot of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you paused the video just to look at the pictures. Or you can replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.